Hey guys, this is Anil from blogerspassion.com. Today we are going to review WPX hosting. We started Bloggers Passion in 2010. Since we started Bloggers Passion, we were hosted with HostGator.com hosting. We used HostGator hosting for almost 6 years on blogerspassion.com. We happen to have small issues with them from time to time, like website down for some time and few similar kind of issues, but most of the time we were ignoring them. The biggest issue comes in May 2016 when someone hacked my blog blogerspassion.com. Hacker put lots of extra files on my blog, as well as he built some backlinks to his client website from my blog. He also put some malicious code on my blog. As a result of this action, my blog rankings went down on Google search and the overall revenue for Bloggers Passion went really down. When I came to know about this issue, I connected with HostGator.com support team, but they were not much interested in solving my problem. They were just trying to upsell few products or services they may be affiliated with. I was trying to convince them, since I have been hosted with HostGator servers from the day one, and if someone hacked my blog, so it's their responsibility to fix that. After connecting with them for a few times, I came to the conclusion that they are not going to help me, so I have to find solutions from my end. Around that, I connected with few experts who can help me with that issue. It was Harsh from shoutmeloud.com who actually helped me in getting rid of all those bad files on my blog, and I'm really thankful to him for this help. Since I was not happy with HostGator.com hosting, so I was looking for better options where my blog would be more secure and it will be more faster. After doing lots of research, I came to know about WPX hosting. A brief chat with their support team on my issue, and they happily moved my blog from HostGator.com's hosting to WPX hosting servers. We have been hosted with WPX hosting for the last 4 years, and we are really happy with their services so far. In today's WPX hosting review, I am going to share you the things which I really like about WPX hosting. First of all, it's their customer support, which is really good. The support that you will be getting at WPX hosting is real time. There is no waiting time there. And these guys have the intent to solve your problem. Unlike other hosts where the support guy just share you the tutorials or help files from where you can get a solution for your problem, but these guys actually listen to your problem and then try to rectify your issues from their end only. So WPX hosting can be really handy for those guys who are not technically sound or who don't want to get into the technical things and just want to focus on their business sides. Next important feature which WPX hosting offers is free website migration. WPX hosting guys will migrate all of your websites from other hosts to WPX hosting for free. If you look at other hosts that are available in the market, they used to charge for each migration, but with WPX hosting you can migrate all of your websites or blogs on WPX hosting for free. For this, you just need to create a ticket on their support team and they will then take care of that part. Next feature I like about WPX hosting is free SSL certificates. With WPX hosting, you can get free SSL certificate for all the websites and blogs that are hosted with WPX hosting for free. So you don't need to pay anything to get SSL certificates for your websites if you are hosted on WPX hosting. I don't know if you know it or not, but Google give more weightage to the websites that are hosted on secure servers. So if you want to get better results on Google search, you should get SSL certificate installed on your blog now. Next feature which I find really handy on WPX hosting is daily backup. With WPX hosting, you will get daily backups. Backup for your website will be automatically created after 24 hours. WPEX guys will be creating your backup after 24 hours, and in case you need, you can create your backup at any time you need. These guys will be keeping your backup for the last 28 days with them, so you can restore your website if you face any issues with your website during these days. Next feature I want to talk about is WPEX Cloud. When we started hosting with WPEX, they were offering Max CDN to their clients for the first year, but in the recent time they have developed their own CDN which is called WPEX Cloud. It's a cloud-based content delivery network. Once you have added this CDN on your blog, your web blog will be really fast. Having a fast loading website will also help you with better rankings on Google, as Google also give more weightage to the websites that loads really fast. Now let me take you to my WPEX hosting dashboard. From here I can check all of my blogs. Let me quickly take you to some of the important features here. That's website SSL. From here you can install SSL certificate for your websites, and in case you don't want, you can also ask these guys to install a SSL certificate on your website. Then let's talk about email boxes. From here you can create the email IDs that you want. From FTP user section you can create FTP logins in case needed. In that case you can give access to your team members for certain files or folders within your website or blog. Next, that's file manager. From here you can download or upload files on your servers. Backups, we have already discussed about the backups, and the last one is WPEX Cloud. WPEX Cloud is their own CDN, so from here you can just enable or disable the CDN on any of your website or blog. I am just activating it on blogspecial.com just to help you understand it. Now let me just show you how fast their support team is. Just for testing purpose, I'm just going to ping them and see how fast they are going to respond. You can see I start getting replies from them within few seconds. You will not receive this kind of support from any other host. If you are looking to get solutions for your problems instantly, then you should go for WPEX hosting. From here I can manage my domains. Going back to my dashboard, and from here I can order more services. Now let me take you to the WPEX hosting pricing plans. WPEX hosting offers 3 kinds of pricing plans: business, professional and elite. Their initial plan, which is called business plan, will cost you around $20 for a month, where you can host up to 5 websites. So you are going to pay just $4 for a website or blog. If you look at this amount closely, you can host 5 websites for this amount. So it's like you will be paying just $4 to host a single website on WPEX kind of hosting. $4 for a single website is not that much big amount, keeping in mind the kind of hosting you will be using. And if you want to give a try to WPEX hosting using their monthly plans, we have partnered with them. In the description of this video, you will be getting a promo code which will help you get 50% off for the first month on any of plan from WPEX hosting. don't forget to check the description section of this video if you want to save some money on your first billing cycle with WPX hosting. Since we are hosted with WPX hosting, so our website is really fast. We are using their WPX Cloud CDN as well, which is helping us with much more speed. Now let me show you how fast Blog Special loads on a speed testing tool. Now I'm going to check my blog homepage speed on gtmetrix.com. So you can see my blog homepage is loading within a second. It's taking even less than a second time. If you're looking for the similar kind of speed for website or blog, I would highly recommend you to move to WPX hosting, which is really fast and your website will be really secured there. If some issues happens with your website, these guys will fix all of those things for free for you. You will not be charged anything for that. Friends, if you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And to get notification for the future videos, don't forget to press the bell icon. Guys, I'll be coming with more educational videos in the coming days, so keep watching and we'll see you in the next video. And thanks a lot for watching.